Welcome back to the Car Crash Test Channel, folks. Today, we're reviewing the crash test results of the 2024 Cupra Tavascan, thanks to Euro NCAP. Let's see how this stylish electric SUV handled the safety tests. In the frontal offset test, the Cupra Tavascan showed excellent stability in the passenger compartment. Knee and femur protection was rated well for both the driver and passenger. However, Cupra hasn't fully demonstrated hazard-free dashboard protection across occupant sizes and positions. For the full-width rigid barrier test, the driver's chest protection rated marginal, though other areas performed adequately. Side barrier tests showed excellent protection, and the side pole impact results were at least adequate. One standout feature in side impacts is the Tavascan's countermeasure to reduce occupant-to-occupant injuries. For rear-end protection, the Tavascan performed well in tests for whiplash injuries, offering high ratings for both front and rear seats. Equipped with an advanced e-call system, the Tavascan alerts emergency services in the event of a crash and includes a secondary impact prevention system. In water submersion scenarios, Cupra showed the doors and windows could open for a safe escape. What do you think of the Tavascan's safety features? Comment below and let us know which crash test results you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more new crash tests reviews.